Hi everyone, let's see how you can uninstall Steam in the most easiest and effective way. To get started, simply search for Control Panel and open it. From here, go to Programs and Features. Then find Steam from this list and click on Uninstall. Once done, close it. Now right click over the Start menu Windows icon and click on Run. Now type %local app data % and click on OK. From here, find the Steam folder and simply delete it from here. Now go to your C drive. Now search for any Steam folder in Program Files and Program Files 86 folder and delete it. Once done, simply empty the recycle bin and it's done. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.